Ray Marco coming to you live from Taylor Chrysler Dodge. We've got great news. I get to hang out with my friends today. Thank you so much. Greg and Marcella Chambers from Bourbonnais, Illinois. Friends for so many years. Tons of car deals, but on top of that, just good laughs and always great to catch up with you guys and see you in for service. And something happened today. What did take place?
We bought a new car.
Did you take advantage of employee pricing?
Yes.
Did you know we even had it?
No.
So anyways, we're trying to end the month of November here, as you may have seen in my videos with employee pricing, and so they were able to take advantage of that sale price today. Really good trade-in value, and we made it happen. So thank you.
Thank you.
How was your experience today? How's it been over the years?
Excellent.
Excellent.
Thank you for that.
Good.
Yes. Is it lunchtime?
Yes.
I knew that part. So thank you again so much. Thank you. All right, we're going to wrap it up. Thank you.